literally wanted to do that for my parents.
So we have number five here. Those are my favorite columns. When I read them, I'm on my fifth. I hate them all. We're all men. We're the
So I just know kind of so tell me about your experiences with them. We just as bad as I first I thought. The worst incident was we tried to have a night out of school and it ended up with him on top of me holding me down. He would rip my shirt. Um, and I was screaming for my mom. My mom was really like nuts. Just screaming for my mom. She didn't come.
See, these are the parts that actually make you feel like extremely sad for her because her mom.
What's even different is I told her about now such a huge program and I get surgery. She was in Houston for a year after the operation.
Your sister is willing to put her life on pause for a whole year, like that's a freaking grade A sister. You should be like literally kissing her feet right now. Not many people would put their life on pause for a year. You know it's gonna save you.
Because the follow-up is more important than the actual surgery. And you have to have some therapy. So if you could have surgery, and this is has agreed to move on kissing with me. And that's huge. So I always wondered before, this is something that's going to be a whole new experience for her, and I know that she has a lot of anxiety about actually getting on a plane, getting to the aisle, so
You know, going plane, yo, the plane just lost some feet and it's going up. It's too heavy. He's too heavy.
she's going to go anywhere because getting to Houston is very, very important for her health. So really getting it happens.
So you should have took a measured the length of your back, measured the length of your cheeks, and then